Good morning. Today we discuss about the order Passeriformes, otherwise known as the perching birds, and one example is the house sparrow. Order Passeriformes or perching birds. Passeriformes possess a suite of distinguishing characteristics, including a unique spur morphology, a distinctive morphology of the bony plate, a simple yet functionally diverse foot with three toes forward and one, that is the hallux, oriented backwards, and a distinctive forewing and hindlimb musculature. The order of Passeriformes, commonly called the passerines, are the largest and most unique family of birds. A few of the many birds in the passerine order are crows, finches, flycatchers, swallows, tanagers, and warblers. They are sometimes called perching birds or songbirds. These perching birds include some of the most colorful and mysterious of all birds in the world. They are generally small to medium in size with large wings relative to their body size. Their feet are adapted for perching, three toes being directed forwards and the other one backwards. Beaks are adapted for cutting. They build elaborate nests and the eggs are usually colored. This order comprises more than half of the total number of the living species, nearly all of them being small-sized. The order is divided into two sections, namely, one is the singing bird, that is the Acromyidae, and the songless birds or Mesomyidae, based on the structure of the pharynx. A passerine is any bird of the order Passeriformes which include more than half of all bird species. Passerines have three toes that point forwards and one toe that point backwards. The first toe, called the hallux, is often called the hind toe because it always pointed backward and is never reversible. Their vocal organ allows the birds to produce a large range of vocalization. Bills on passerines vary greatly in size and shape due to the type of diet of each species. The types of bills range from tiny, needle-like bills of insect-eating warblers and virals to the generally huge vice-like bills of finches designed to crack the hard shells of seeds. Passerines weigh from about 0.18 ounce or 5 grams in kinglets to about 3.1 pounds or 1.4 kilograms in ravens and about 3.7 pounds or 1.7 kilograms in Australian lyrebirds and ravens. Their distinguishing characteristics are unique spur morphology, distinctive morphology of the bony palate, foot with three toes forward, the hallux oriented backwards, distinctive forewing, hindlimb musculature. Bills on passerines vary greatly in size and shape. The type of bills range from tiny, needle-like bills of insect-eating warblers and virals to the generally huge vice-like bills of finches designed to track the hard shells of seeds. Vocal organ allows the birds to produce a large range of vocalization. Their interesting physical features are pharynx or vocal organ, very specialized feet and legs. Examples for the order Passeriformes are crow, king crow, mynaeus, golden oriole, flycatcher, bulbul, sparrows, and larks. Next, we discuss about the example of order Passeriformes, house sparrow, Passer domesticus indicus. Their local name is Angadi Kuruvi, order Passeriformes, family Passeridae. House sparrow is a resident bird found throughout the Indian subcontinent. It lives almost as a commensal of man and frequents cities, suburbs, villages and all human habitations. This bird measures nearly 50 centimeters and exhibits sexual dimorphism. In males, crown is grey and the sides of neck and back are chestnut. Wings are rufous with a white shoulder patch. Female is greyish brown above and plain brownish white below. Beak is conical and eyes are small. Feet are adapted for perching with the 3 toes anterior and the first toe or hallux posterior. Sparrow live in pairs of during breeding, otherwise move in noisy flocks. Sparrows are omnivorous. In winter, they feed upon ripening crops of wheat and cereals. They also destroy leafy vegetables and flower buds. However, they feed upon the several agricultural insect pests. They breed throughout the year and make elaborate nests for straw, feathers, etc. Eggs 3 to 6. Incubation period is 14 days. Both the parents care the young ones. The house sparrow is a stout, stocky sparrow with shorter legs and a thicker bill than indigenous American sparrows. Members of both sexes are brown backed with black streaks throughout this area. Its underside is pale buff. Male have white cheeks and a black bib, while females do not some of the natural habitats that they live in include forests, meadows, grasslands, desert edges, woodlands, and more. They inhabit cities, parks, suburbs, backyards, farms, orchards, and any number of different man-made habitats. The house sparrow is an extremely widespread little bird. Humans have introduced this species into several regions outside of their natural range in Russia. The house sparrow is an extremely widespread little bird. Humans have introduced this species into several regions. Nowadays, we can find them in North, Central and South America as well as Russia, Africa and Australia. They often live in cities, parks, suburbs, farms and other urban areas. This is some pictures of house sparrow. Thank you.